Hello, mayam puno po ahan mamagtad kurumjari. I hakiming Dr. Ngangbom Chantikmar Meetei. I hak Taiwan da English ki professor amo oina Hong Kong Kalin University of Technology da Laijabani. I hak Taiwan gi chijana mo na Laijarapa chahi kun hele. I hak loina di I hak icha mari loina Laijabani. 2020 hariba chahi asi koi COVID-19 laijara sinamaram oiduna koi malem hong pidimukta awana kaya tengna lakli wara wasi wana chahi asi losin kre dugo koi COVID-19 asi hujik pawbi oina di losin ki bai bidu oidri aduna koi ano ba chahi 2021 lak president da koi chang pana na da yetana in tapna leiba kunai ama oina bidamak koi World Health Organization na piriba koi chana kanglo chingasi like astig na thona ba koi kona minasi indra chat minasi loina na 2021 hai ba chahi asina la pachis da kana tenglaki ba awana kaya adugi adudagi para kaya tamlakpaga loina na handaki chahi simati ena phaba chahi ama oina na ba koi mangda changchin na ba kan khona minasi loina na amaga mateng pang minasi. Hello, my name is Dr. Ngambang Chantikmar Meetei. I'm working here as a professor of English in Taiwan, and I've been living here as a citizen of Taiwan more than 20 years. Not only teaching as a professor at the university, I'm also the president of IMBA Taiwan and IMBA Global Asia, and thus helping many natural athletes to be natural athletes so that they can stay healthy, happy, and be more successful in life. 2020 year has been a very tough time for all of us because of COVID-19, but it hasn't finished yet. So let's follow the COVID-19 protocol. That means the steps, the SOP, and like keeping distance, social distances, and using hand sanitizer and using masks. Let's follow all these steps so that we can protect ourselves from COVID-19. And with the coming of 2021, I wish you all the best, and let's hope for the best and look forward to a better year. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.